All right, last but not least, well, we'll do a unit review section, but the last bits of new stuff are this last trip around the house. And really, it's just a checklist of, normally we do this in class where you would just ask specific questions. And so I want you to think about how you would apply this to you. And then maybe pick one other person you know. If you can get the information, if you can partner with another person from class, that would be great. But like, what do you live in? An apartment, dorm, condo? It looks like it says apartment, dom. Dorm, condo, etc. How many stories, right? Which type of telephones? Actually, I think it would make more sense now to change it to phone. And I can't see. Hold on a second. It's covering it up. No, that's it. So, little interview questions, and again, more conversation, and have you all talking about this. So, just go fill in that on your own, and then compare notes to yourself to someone else, and see if you can sign what each of those is. That's really it. 1311 goes out with kind of a whimper. Really, 13 and 17 don't have that much content, not compared to the other book. So that's that one.